I just got the RBM Outdoors Caminus M wood stove delivered. We're gonna do a quick unbox and do the first burn, and we're also gonna do a quick review about this wood stove. It comes in a wooden box, well packaged. Let's open it up for the first time. Everything is packed in really nice. This looks like the bag to carry the wood stove. What's this? This looks like the fire mat. There's a string in here. I guess we'll figure out what the string is for. Got the manual. We got some metal plates. There's the wood stove in here. Okay, let's get this bad boy out. Let's see what's inside. There's some nice handles, well made. And some gloves. We have an ash scoop. Now I notice this one has a little crack here, so not sure if we could fix that or if we're gonna have to have it replaced, but there's a crack along here. As you can see, this is everything that comes with the wood stove. We have the metal chimney, we have gloves here, we have the ash scoop. We have some metal plates, we have the fire mat, and we have a carrying bag, and this is the manual. This is the air vent. It controls how much air you allow inside the wood stove. It's well made.
I wouldn't say it, would I? Once you wouldn't. Well, goodbye. This time we do.
All right, let's check out the legs on the bottom. Has those little pins there that you push in. Which I think is very good, because you don't have to screw and unscrew anything. When you're done, you could just push it back in, clip it in, and good to go.
you wouldn't.
Well, bye.
It's time we leave.
That started up pretty good.